Serenity Crafts by Maria, come and see.
Hey guys, welcome back to Serenity Crafts by Maria. Today I'm going to be trying out the web effect again as I tried on Wednesday, and this is what I got. Completely not what I was after. Not quite sure what effect you can call that. Probably the messy effect. But yeah, so I said I'd try it again today. So I have made up 200 mils of resin. I have got 3 cups. I'm hoping that I can do it a little bit neater this time. So I've got bottles. I'm going to be more precise with my lines. Last time I did it and I was pouring out of a cup. I couldn't control it properly. I am using the Eye Candy Imperial Gold. It's absolutely stunning gold. Don't know what it's like in clear because I've only done it with black and white, which this is the black, that one's with the white behind it, so it's very pretty. I'm also going to be using, instead of the white, I'm going to be using black pigment paste by Tea Expert in jet black, and I'm also going to add a Bloody Mary alcohol ink from Octopus. So I'm going to do 3 colours today. Thought black, gold and red maybe might go well together. I don't know. I think I might just be winging it again. But we can see. But yeah, that's my Imperial Gold by Eye Candy. And then we want jet black. I've also got some clear left over in there. There's about 4 or 5 little drops in there. And I'm not gonna add, well yeah, I'm gonna add a little tiny little bit more to it because I want it a bit not so heavy. But I don't want it to take over either. So the lines with the black are gonna be quite thin. And then I'm gonna shake my Bloody Mary alcohol ink. And I'm going to put a big old squeeze in there. Stir that round. I don't think I'm going to do the clear base first. I think I'm just going to do the lines. Oh, I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know whether to do a clear base. I think I am going to do a clear base. I'm going to keep it exactly the same. Just see if the messiness is why these ones turned out the way it was. Because, I mean, I did, if you saw my Wednesday video, I plonked the white halfway in here. But it has got like a crackle or dragon scale effect, which I wasn't aiming for. So I'm not going to lie and say I was aiming for that, because I wasn't. I was aiming for the web effect, but I'm not sure how to do it. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get it. This gold is beautiful. I'm colourblind. I can still see that's a beautiful gold. It's like liquid gold. It's stunning. I'm going to put them in their bottles now. That is warm today, so I am getting a move on. And this resin is so thin because of how warm it is. Makes it easier to pour into bottles, but it's a bit risky doing resin this heat. Right, that's my gold. Hey, sorry, I don't know how far you got because my phone cut out, so my phone storage was full. It's a good job I checked. But yeah, I've done the black, which is the pigment paste. I did the gold, which is the eye candy pigment powder, the mica powder, and this is now the octopus ink, alcohol ink, which is Bloody Mary it's called. It's a lot easier to do it like this with a bottle. Just realised I did the wrong order down here, so I'm putting one in. But the idea of this technique is basically that you use like the paste for the heavier pigment, I think it is, and then you've got the mica and the alcohol inks, which are a lot lighter. So when you push the clear into the center, it pushes all of it to the edge, and then the heavy pigment paste will push it all back, creating like a web. But what do I know? You can go away, little bubble. Big bubble, actually. I'll sort you out in a minute with a lighter, but it's off-putting. Thank you. What's next? Gold again. I don't know why it's gone into that shape all of a sudden. But I don't know if I want to do any more. Do I end it on a black? Shall we end it on a black? Let's end it on a really thin black. And then do we push out now with the clear? I just want to get some glass. I have a tiny bit of gold glass, which I'm going to get ready to pour into the centre. I'm done with one of those little tiny spoons. I just don't know where I've put them all. But I'll get a stick. And now I'm going to push out. Like that. Well, that's looking a bit better. Last time it didn't push out properly. Right, that'll do. And now I'm going to just drop some glass before it all closes back up. Don't want no strays, just go straight into the centre. Oh, there's one. You always get one. Right, now I'm going to get my heat on my lighter, pop any bubbles. Right, and I'm going to fill up this skull, I think. Or do I do this crystal again? I actually really like this crystal. I'm going to put most of that there like that. And in this one, right guys, I've got one mould filled. This one's not quite there yet. And that's me done for today. Hi guys, welcome back. They're cured. I don't know what they've done, but it's definitely not the web effect. But let's have a look at them anyway. I think a lot of it is to do with temperature. I mean, it is 38 degrees in my craft room right now. It was 42 degrees this morning, or should I say early this afternoon. So I think it's just too hot. I don't think the resin's gonna act like it normally would, but I'll keep trying them and I will get a web effect one day. All right, this is, it's actually really nice, but it's not the web effect. I love the smokiness of that. I actually really like it. It's really nice, very tiger-esque. Right, let's do this one. And the only other thing we've got to demold is one of the crystals. Ready? Yeah, I mean, they match. It's a nice matching pair. It's got bubbles in that one there. I don't really know where they are. They're not on the front, so they must be inside somewhere. Yeah, I actually really like them. I don't hate them. I actually don't hate them at all. They are really nice, to be fair. I'll just keep trying, but I think I'm going to let it cool down before I do a technique like that. And this is the crystal from my own mold. Ooh, that must have had the black, the Bloody Mary and the Imperial Gold in it. Ooh, it's still very, very shiny and sparkly in there. It actually looks like a real stone. That's nice. Right. I don't know what's happening. It might be to do with the heat. I'm hoping, and it's not just the way I'm doing it, but I think next time I'm going to do it with bottles again. I'm going to let it be cooler, and I'm not going to do the clear layer first. I am just going to do rings, and then I'll probably use the white again instead of the black, and I'm going to go over the top. You'll see it. It'll probably be Saturday, tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow yet. If it's still hot like this, then I probably won't be doing resin. I'll probably do magic pour or something. But yeah, that's my not web effect, but I actually do like them. I really do. I love that smoky effect, that wispiness. So it did pull in, but very finely. So thank you so much for joining me for yet another fail. No, thank you. I really do appreciate you all. And if you like my content and you haven't subscribed, then please do so. It's free to do, and it just means the world to me. And I'm trying to get up to 1,000, so fingers crossed I'll get there in the next few months. So all the help I would appreciate, any hypes, any likes and comments. I love all your comments. I love reading them all. If you'd like to buy me a coffee or buy something from my Amazon wish list, it's all appreciated. You'll get a shout out, and I just appreciate you all. So take care of yourself, guys. Bye.
Serenity Crafts by Maria. Come and see a world of art where you can just be free with resin.